Actually, our today's topic is the relation between velocity, frequency, and wavelength. But before we get into our discussion, I would like to discuss what does the velocity, frequency, and wavelength actually mean. Actually, velocity can be defined as the rate of change of displacement of a body or displacement covered per unit time. Its SI unit is meter per second and its symbol is V. If we talk about the frequency, then frequency can be defined as the number of vibrations or cycles per unit time of a body in periodic motion. Its symbol is F and its SI unit is Hertz. And if we talk about the wavelength, then wavelength can be defined as the distance between two consecutive crests or troughs in transverse waves or two consecutive compression or rarefaction in longitudinal or compressional waves. Its SI unit is meter as the length because it is also basically a length between two consecutive crests or troughs or two consecutive compression or rarefaction and its symbol is lambda. Now let's discuss its mathematical derivation. The formula for calculating velocity v of a body covering a displacement d in time t is v is equal to d over t. Here you can see that v and d are bolded, which shows that velocity and displacement are the vector quantities, not the scalar quantities. Now, if displacement d covered by the wave in its time period capital T is equal to one wavelength lambda, then we shall have v is equal to lambda by t. Now, the time period capital T of a wave is equal to reciprocal of frequency f. So, we shall have v is equal to lambda over 1 by f. Finally, we shall have v is equal to lambda f. Now let's discuss our conclusion. Our first point is the velocity v of a wave is equal to product of its wavelength lambda and frequency f. As you can see in this equation, v is equal to lambda f. Our second point is the velocity v of a wave is directly proportional to its wavelength lambda and frequency f. Now, our third point is the frequency f of a wave is inversely proportional to its wavelength lambda because v over lambda is equal to f. Here you can see that lambda is in denominator while frequency f is in numerator. So, there is an inverse relation between lambda and frequency. So, we can say that these are inversely proportional to each other. Means if one increases, then other will decrease. So it was our discussion of today. I hope you would have benefited from my discussion. Please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you can get every new update from my channel instantly. Now I will see you in our next discussion. Till that, Allah Hafiz.